Hey, it's Lizette, and I'm going to show you how to do the popcorn stitch. I am using a chunkier hook. This is a size 6, just so that the stitches are bigger for you to see. But on my pattern, I'm using a 3.25 so that they're kind of tighter and more compact. So the size hook you use will change the look of it, and either way is fine, whether you're doing something with the bigger hook or not. Just depends on the look you want. So I started it here. There are 2 popcorn stitches already on here. You can kind of see it's like a little bump. And then I put 1 double crochet in between. You can put as many as you want depending on whatever you're making. But for my pattern, this is how we do the popcorn stitch. So you're going to do 3 double crochets into 1 stitch. Okay, so there's my 3 into 1 stitch. I'm gonna remove my hook, go back into the first of the 3, so 1, 2, 3, insert my hook, and I'm gonna grab that loop that I dropped right there, and I'm gonna pull that through all the way and pull that tight and chain 1. And that is a popcorn stitch. So I'm going to put a double crochet in between, and I'll show you again just to make some space in between them. Alright, so let's do another popcorn stitch here. 3 double crochets together. Drop that loop. Go back into the first one. 1, 2, 3. Grab the loop, pull that through, chain 1. Okay, so these are just some single crochets down here, and then the double crochet, the popcorn stitches. You can see them, how they stick out. So it's just a nice texture to add. Okay, if you have any questions, comment below, and if you bought my pattern, please tag me if you share any pictures of it. I'd love to see it. Thanks for watching.